we have another special treat for you today. And because we're talking fall forward style, why not have a fashion show? Why not?
Why not?
Now, I am quite the shopper, but I can sometimes feel very lost in a mall about like putting together outfits. So I love seeing what professionals will pull together and how they style and create different outfits.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The FabFitFun has an entire team of professional stylists who are ready, willing, and very able to help you look your best.
Yeah.
So we offer FFF Style to all of our members who sign up. Let's go meet two of the members of the team who are going to tell us more.
Let's do it. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
How are you doing?
So fabulous. Thank you for having us.
Yeah,
Thank you
for joining us.
So we're joined by Michelle and Marissa from the Style team. We're so excited to have you here.
Thank you.
And you both look very fall chic.
I love it.
Obviously, FFF Style.
Of course.
So thank you for noticing.
Naturally.
Thank you for noticing.
This print is so fun. It's horses,
I
but then
love.
when you like pull away, you almost don't even realize that it's horses.
It's so great. It's got kind of like that Celine vibe,
Yes.
but more affordable price point.
Yes.
And I love the
gorgeous.
cinching at the waist into it.
And
So love
we
it.
actually bought this style while they were in Paris.
We
so
did.
It's
We
also
sourced products
really,
for our
really
members in
special-
Paris this
special
year.
job.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh! Wow,
So
Patty.
there's
Okay.
an exclusive capsule.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh!
I see you.
So let's get our viewers up to speed. What is FabFitFun Style?
Well, to me, it's probably the best membership perk, but I'm a little bit biased. So,
Okay, that's okay.
in short, it's a personal styling service, but to our members, it is so much more than that. We connect them to a live human like Marissa, one of our amazing personal stylists. They hand select items based on a whole array of responses that our customer provides for us on their unique lifestyle and their body shape and their fit and their size preferences. And then if you're anything like me, I am not a big shopper. I don't love the online experience.
Online is hard.
Yeah, it's overwhelming. There's too many choices. It's impersonal. So what this offers is a personal experience that's really hand curated for you. It ships directly to your doorstep. On top of it, you get to take advantage of membership offers, membership pricing, perks, VIP rewards. There's a whole lot of additional benefits to being a FabFitFun Style member. Plus, you have 3 days to try it all on before you buy it, and then ship back whatever you don't want to keep. If you keep everything, you get 25% off.
That's awesome.
That's a great deal.
That is a great deal, and so
think so.
convenient.
I think convenience is such a huge part of it too, because it's so hard to find time to go out and find like the perfect outfit. You might find a piece, but then you're like, what do I put it with? And just having stylists who know what they're doing at your disposal is incredible.
Well, and imagine getting a beautiful box where you just get to have a glass of wine and try it on at home in your room and just chill out and pair it with everything else in your closet too.
That's amazing, because that's the key part too, is seeing what you already have and what it's going to work with.
Plus, you get a personalized note from your stylist on all the ways you can possibly wear it.
Amazing.
Oh wow.
Yes.
And so what sizes do you guys accommodate?
So we're stoked to be able to offer extra small through XXL, and then we're really, really excited. We offer extended sizing all the way up to 3X, so we can dress so many members, and we're really, really, really proud of the selections that we have and everything.
And how does someone sign up?
Oh, well, that's easy. Go to fabfitfun.com/style, fill out our style profile quiz, provide us with as much or as little information as you want. The more you give us, obviously, the more customized your experience it is. Wow, tripping over my tongue this morning. And the more Marissa has to go on to send you a beautiful wardrobe.
But you can totally say, I just want a surprise, and we'll send you a surprise too.
So we have a comment that came in from Tisha Matson, who said, just put my order in for the FFF Style box. It's great. I've done it 3 times and it's the best experience.
Ooh.
Amazing.
Thank you,
Tisha.
Tisha.
Amazing.
So to give a little bit more about it, for those who don't know, you pay $20 to reserve your spot in Stylist. Once you complete your quiz, you'll be automatically scheduled. You'll get charged that styling fee once your box is ready to ship, which gets applied towards anything you decide to purchase, so you get that money back. And then if you decide to keep everything once you receive your box, again, it's 25% off.
That's so great.
And we know, I love, and I know our members love a good discount. So
yeah. Who doesn't? 100%.
And so this service is a members only perk. So if you are not a FabFitFun member, you cannot get the style box. But we want to show everyone just what your team is capable of. So we're going to get into action. We're going to have a little bit of a fashion show. using some fall items. We've got some team members in house. We've got Marissa's mom in house.
Woo!
So I can't wait to see all of these looks. I'm very excited.
Thank you, so are we.
All right, let's do this.
Shall we? All right. Who's up first?
Okay, first up we have Venice. Hi.
Hi.
Looking
Hi,
lovely.
beauty.
Venice is petite and an hourglass, so we've kind of taken all of these things into account when selecting a look that's right for her.
And so, Venice, if you could start strutting, you are
Strut
showing
girl.
off our fabulous kind of back to school vibe. I absolutely love our Summer and Rose super fuzzy, super fluffy, cozy sweater. It also comes in extra colors. Paired with this super cute houndstooth skirt. That's great for shopping, work, heading off to class. This is such an amazing look. I love it with our little backpack and, of course, a FabFitFun Style necklace.
I love
That
the
sweater
color
is
texture.
speaking to my soul.
This
It's
is
so soft.
like a modern take on
Clueless. Yep.
And I've been seeing that. It's a trend that's coming back around. I think this is
totally.
so adorable.
I
and
think
check
it's
out all of our
timeless.
plaid blazers. Like,
never
we've
get
got
this
the
out.
Clueless vibes going.
Yes.
I love it.
Thanks, beauty.
Good.
I love
Thank
it.
you, amazing.
Next up we have Tisha. So Tisha
hey,
is long
girl.
and lanky and a rectangle, so we gave her these amazing shapes, which Marissa will tell you a little bit more about.
Well, I love a tall girl. So, so she's modeling some of our awesome loungewear. We have these great Free People leggings. If you want to start strutting your stuff, it looks so cool with this fleece pullover. We're digging fleece every single area, I guess.
Yes, I love fleece.
And she can obviously go work out, or she can just go get a cup of coffee looking insanely cool and chic. And her little yoga bag is so amazing for heading to yoga or just throwing everything she needs in for the day.
This is my go-to. Like, this is,
Yeah.
despite what I'm wearing right now, this is my happy place. And we
Natalie,
actually-
I'm
this
digging
looks-
your fall
Thank
vibe.
you.
Like every
Okay.
time I'm over here, you've got a leather little rocking moment.
Thank
so
you.
I love it all.
I appreciate it. Now, before you leave, we have a perfect question. So Amy Usray says, do you have items for tall women, like 6'2", athletic build? Tisha, how tall are you?
I am 5'11" and 3/4.
5'11" and 3/4.
And they go up pretty high, so you have a lot of
So the answer is yes.
Answer is definitely yes. And we have some great jeans for tall girls. I love styling a tall girl, so please sign up.
Amazing.
We definitely have everything for you.
Thanks, girl.
Thanks, Tisha.
Amazing.
All right, who do we have next?
Next we have Vicky.
This is my
Marissa's
mom. Yes.
She's a triangle, and we've given her some great shape. She's also wearing the lapel shoes.
Yes, they look so good on
Yes.
her.
Mom, if you want to strut up and show off this fabulous Vera dress, this is one of my favorite styles ever. It's super flattering, so cute. I love the tucked waist and the flare at the bottom. This is like the magic dress we call, because everyone looks amazing in it, and we carry in so many prints that literally people are just like, can you send me this dress in every print you have? Because I've got like 6 events this year.
Yes.
got
And it's got
pockets,
pockets.
pockets.
Yes.
Okay, and then show off those lapel shoes, strut your way
They're
back
so
here.
pretty.
So pretty.
Amazing.
This
And
entire
then-
look.
I just
I'm
love it.
obsessed with.
And then, Mom, would you take that off and show off the dress?
Yes, work.
Thank you. Look how cute
Oh,
it is. Yes.
And
Yes.
onto the shoulder.
Yes, she obviously has
model
her
in the
style
works.
necklace on, but I love, 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 love this look. Firstly, because the FabFitFun jacket's insanely cool, but I love that she turned this dress that's kind of like a little bit fancy. She added this denim to make it a little more casual, and she also took it into fall. So this is just a super transitional look, really versatile, and I love it for day with the lapel shoes or add a little heel for night.
Yeah, I mean, the shoes
Absolutely.
can really just like dress it down. You can dress it up. I love it.
Yes, awesome. Thank you.
Vicky.
That's so
And
perfect.
thank you for giving us Marissa.
Oh wait, we have a comment coming. Kelly Worthwhile says, "I want that denim jacket." Yes, I'm yelling.
In all caps.
Request it from your stylist.
Oh, request it from your stylist.
Yes.
Also, question from Charlotte Marr. She says, "What are the price ranges of the items? Are there $30 items or more $200 items?"
So actually, to be totally honest, a box entire price comes with 5 items, and your price is generally between $200 and $300. So broken down, your items are much, much less. Generally, our denim is anywhere between $60 and $90, and a top is anywhere between $30 and $60. Jackets can range a little bit wider from like 50 to slightly over 100, but with super wide range. And generally speaking, if you sign up for a box, we'll keep your budget in mind, and you'll be able to get an amazing box for under $250.
And if you keep it all, you get a discount.
Yeah, exactly.
Incredible.
Love it.
All right.
All right.
And
Next,
what do we have next?
next up, we have Katy. Katy is a circle body shape, and she's rocking our kind of casual workwear.
Now, Katy has been our model for extended sizing since we started,
Yes,
and so
Katy.
I'm thrilled to have her in our fashion show. She looks amazing in our cut from the cloth Catherine denim, which has been one of our core styles since the very beginning. Katy, will you please strut your stuff and show off this amazing
So
look?
cute.
Her little top, I just love it. Her little top is so amazing. It's perfect for a spring summer top, and then she transitions it perfectly to fall with this blazer. Looks amazing for work, drinks afterwards, perfect desk to dinner look. Katy, come on back, show us. Oh, and that purse. I forgot. The purse is amazing. Obviously, FFF style.
And I love the necklace too.
The necklace, all the accessories, and I love how she just paired it. It's so perfect to go desk to dinner.
Yes.
I'm just excited for everything about this outfit.
I really love that bag. That's perfect for, like you said, taking from work. You know,
I love the
transitioning
desk to
your-
dinner thing.
Yeah, desk to dinner.
It
fun.
also comes
So
with
easy.
a shoulder
cheaper.
strap in case you don't want to
Oh,
carry
amazing.
Oh, even better.
hands-free.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Katy.
Awesome.
That's
Thanks, Katy.
awesome.
Well, so we talked about
Sorry.
the main event.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
we have the scarf that some of you may have gotten in your fall box.
And Katy's going to be our scarf model.
Also, there are 5 ways to wear it in the Inbox magazine that we styled for different body shapes, and Marissa has a few additional that we can showcase for you.
So this is just like your little basic. It's great to wear under a jacket, kind of throw it over a shirt as you're heading out. Super, super easy. Then if we want to like make it a little bit more without choking her, there we go. Hate to choke the models.
We need her.
We need her, we do. I need her back. So this next one is kind of cute. We basically just left it that way, and it's just a little bit of an addition. You just tie an extra knot, and you have something that's a little extra warm, and you have this super cute knot here that sits amazing over a t-shirt or sweater or anything.
That is adorable.
And can you remind us of Katy's shape for the ladies watching at home?
So Katy I would call a circle, but she's also slightly more petite. So sometimes it's tricky to dress a petite shape. So Katy's been awesome working with us since the beginning to find kind of the best styles for every sort of body shape.
And Shelley Forsberg also says, I never know how to wear a scarf, so she is taking notes.
Yes.
Take notes, girl.
Well, then watch for this next one because it's really cute. So we're going to bring it back out to kind of the beginning. We're going to pull the itty bitty ends. We're going to tie those in a little knot. And it's really, really just the itty bitty ends. And I can't believe I did that on the first try. There we go. And we just twist it over. And we do that. And it's like an infinity scarf. And how cute is that? And again, it's great with a little jacket or over a t-shirt or anything.
So cute.
That was so easy.
I know, right? And
A
it's
DIY infinity scarf.
yeah. It's
And
a plush scarf, people. We need it.
And I have a little trick for you guys watching at home. If you want to make sure that you never lose this video, just share it, and it's going to end up on your own.
There you go.
On your own
Nice.
feed, and so you can find all of your styling tips right there.
Amazing. So will you talk us through each lady's shape again? We have a lot of, interest from the viewers at home, and then also Lauren Hughes-Nickel wants to know if it's a monthly box or quarterly box.
Michelle, do you want to take it away?
I feel like I should give you my best Vanna White here.
Bring it.
So Teacha is a rectangle. There are many ways you can play up this shape. So you can create a natural waistline for yourself by cinching it. Or what we've done is kind of given her this great boxy sweatshirt that'll kind of like accentuate what she's working with. And I love the bell sleeve.
It's so cute.
Yeah. Vicky. Sorry, I've always wanted to do that. I think there's a wheel coming, so.
There is.
Like,
You're
not
going to
my
have your
full
Vanna
Vanna
moment, I
White
promise.
Vicky is a triangle, so she's got a cute little petite waist and she's got some hips to work with. So we just wanted to accentuate that by cinching it with that creating that hourglass shape for her. And then Vanna Sear is an hourglass. So we just kind of played up her curves with some textures and patterns and made it work for her. Katy is a circle. And so we kind of gave her this great drapey jacket so that it just kind of gave her some tailoring lines and created some nice shape for her.
Amazing. Thank you so much to our beautiful models for being here.
They're gonna get directly on a plane. They're going directly on a plane to New York for Fashion Week.
True. They're coming to New York. And then the last question was about, is it a monthly box or quarterly box for style?
It is anytime you'd like
Anytime
it.
you want. So our regular box is seasonal 4 times a year.
Yep.
But
You
style
can get it
is
once
whenever
a
you want
month.
it.
You can get it once every 3 months. We can put it on a cadence so you can have them sent to you automatically, or you can pick the dates you want to be delivered.
Yeah,
Amazing.
and you can schedule it yourself. So if you're like, I have a trip coming up, you
Right.
can schedule it anytime. And don't forget to tell us that you have a trip coming up, because we'll send you amazing things for your trip.
For your trip.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Wow, that is amazing. I'm so excited. I am so excited about FFF Style. You guys, you really, really need to check it out. Marissa and Michelle, thank you so much for joining us and showing us all of those styles.